Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we will discuss various AWS storage services. Please share and subscribe if you like this content. Amazon Web Services (AWS) offers a wide range of storage services to meet different needs for scalability, durability, and cost-effectiveness. Here's a summary of some of the key AWS storage services. Amazon S3 Simple Storage Service. Object storage service for storing and retrieving data, including files, images, videos, and backups. Highly scalable and durable, designed for 99.99% of data durability. Supports versioning, lifecycle policies, and server-side encryption. Used for static website hosting, data lakes, and content delivery. Amazon EBS Elastic Block Store provides block-level storage volumes for use with EC2 instances. Offers different volume types, including SSD-backed, GP2, IO1, and HDD-backed CENT1, SC1. Supports snapshots for data backup and disaster recovery. Amazon EFS Elastic File System. Managed NFS Network File System File Storage Service. Designed for scalability and shared access across multiple EC2 instances. Suitable for use cases like content management, development environments, and analytics. Amazon Glacier and Amazon Glacier Deep Archive. Low-cost, long-term storage options for data archiving and backup. Glacier provides retrieval times in minutes to hours, while Deep Archive offers the lowest cost option with longer retrieval times, 12 hours. AWS Storage Gateway. Hybrid cloud storage service that connects on-premises environments with AWS storage services. Supports file, volume, and tape gateways to extend on-premises storage to the cloud. Amazon RDS Relational Database Service Storage. RDS instances use Amazon EBS for database storage, with options for general purpose, provisioned IOPS, and magnetic volumes. Amazon Redshift. Data warehousing service with its own built-in storage optimized for analytical workloads. Amazon CloudFront. Content Delivery Network, CDN, service for fast and secure content delivery. Distributes content from origins like Amazon S3 EC2 or on-premises servers to edge locations worldwide. Amazon S3 Glacier Select allows you to run SQL queries directly on data stored in Amazon S3 Glacier and retrieve only the data you need. Amazon FSx File System. Managed file storage services, including FSx for Windows File Server and FSx for Lustre, designed for specific workload requirements. Amazon Data Sync. Data transfer service for moving data between on-premises storage and AWS services. AWS Backup. Managed backup service that centralizes and automates the backup of data across AWS services and on-premises environments. AWS Snow Family. Physical devices for offline data transfer between on-premises environments and AWS data centers. Please note that AWS continually updates its services and introduces new features, so it's essential to check the AWS documentation for the most up-to-date information. Please share and subscribe to motivate me to bring up more contents on AWS.